This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing in and selecting Python 3 as your primary language. Do that now so the site tailors challenges. Once done, open the practice section and pick one easy problem to confirm your editor works and that code runs. Make sure to enable autosave and set editor key bindings you prefer. These initial steps remove friction and let you focus on algorithms rather than setup. Now proceed to structured practice with a clear baseline and working environment. Once your environment is ready, move into the middle phase. Pick challenges by tag arrays, strings, dynamic programming, graphs, so you build specific skills. Solve problems under a timed mock test to simulate pressure, then run custom test cases including edge conditions. After you finish, read editorial and discussion threads to learn alternate approaches and complexity differences. Compare time and memory trade-offs. Make sure to refactor code for readability and add comments, so you internalize patterns rather than just passing tests. To finish a session effectively, review your solved list and mark weak topics for targeted repetition. Track progress with badges and solved count. Once done, repeat similar problems until your average solve time drops. Aim for measurable improvement like 20% faster. If you hit a blocker, write a clear brute force solution and use prints or small examples to isolate the bug, then optimize incrementally. One key troubleshooting tip: clear the cache and rerun custom tests if submission behaves unpredictably. That often resolves environment hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.